Hello everyone. This is a project we did for Myanmar Danlin. Power generation unit for the refinery project, which is equipped with 18 gas generator sets. This part is for us. We need to build a control room. The control room will transmit all the signals. To transmit the signals of all 18 units here. And this side has just been pressurized. This is the room of the unit. You can see that the air inlet area we designed, the air inlet area is very large. This is the exhaust. The entire air duct runs from this side to this side. There are 9 units here. And there are also 9 on the other side. The gas pipeline is drawn from outside. It's a 100 mm diameter pipe. Then it passes through this DN50 pipe to the bottom. Each set is directly connected to the ice cabinet and directly to the junction box through the cable. The overall design is relatively neat. Above, to prevent future maintenance, we designed a crane. In this way, even if the generator needs to be lifted and moved later, it will be very convenient. The chimney over there is the muffler we matched for the customer. The muffler is directly discharged outside the wall. All the shells here are grounded. Which is grounded. It's connected to the factory's grounding part. This is the entrance point for him. And here is another computer room. Also has 9 gas generators and a diesel generator. Diesel generator will be started when 9 or 18 units stop. It will be turned on automatically to provide power for the emergency of the factory. The cables go through the bridge too. This is its distribution room. On this side of the distribution room, the distribution is placed here. You can see the front of the refinery. The main part of the refinery. The overall project is very spectacular. Wow! This is the diesel one, which is the base fuel tank. These are the 9 machines.